Okay, so I came out to my car. I was gonna go take it for a drive and it wouldn't start. I had an idea that it was gonna be the fuse that everyone is pretty much known by now that goes bad. But I had a slightly different issue because my ignition wouldn't turn on at all. It was stuck in lock. I couldn't get it to go to anything other than lock, but obviously now it's all fixed. So what ended up happening was that the the steering lock is bad. And what I ended up doing after digging online was finding the ignition lock here. Steering lock. It won't focus. This is the module. I've got this pin back probed in the pink wire. And that needs to be grounded. So with that pin there, I touched it to the steel framework here, and all of a sudden I could cycle it to ACCessory in order to perform the fuse trick. So if anybody else has a failure like that, this is where you're going to have to start if it doesn't even come out of lock. Once you can get it into ACCessory mode, then you can come up here. Come on, focus, there we go. Then you can pull the number 4 fuse out of the fuse panel that sits on the side here. You have to remove a few plastic components. But if it won't come out of lock and just hangs there like that, you've got to ground that pink wire. And that was the easiest way I could come up with. Just use a back probe safety pin and a screwdriver, touch it to ground, turn it to ACCessory mode, remove that fuse, and then we'll have no further issues.